about you? Where are you from?
Al Hind.
Arabic.
Ahmad. Oh, good.
Welcome to Egypt.
Thank you.
हेलो नमस्ते सत श्री अकाल स्वागत है आप लोगों का इस नवी वीडियो में गाइज माय नेम इज गरिमा एंड आई मेक ट्रैवल व्लॉग्स ऑल अराउंड द वर्ल्ड राइट नाउ आई एम इन इजिप्ट आई टुक दिस फ्लाइट फ्रॉम चाइना all the way to Egypt via Qatar Airways and welcome to Luxor. So I'm in Luxor city right now, very historical place, very famous for its temple and tombs that we will be exploring today in this vlog. So let's start this journey. And Egypt is beautiful. The landscape is so pretty, but there is one problem that when you're walking around in the road, you talk to taxi driver, you talk to shopkeepers, people are always scamming you. You know, when they give back change, most of them almost. That's why I'm mentioning it, okay? If it happens one time, I don't care about it. Like, even when you take the change, they will always flip the note on Arabic side that you cannot read, and mostly it's the wrong change. So always be careful to read your money, have all the proofs, whatever you're doing, take photos. Be careful of your scam, take care of your bags, and be safe in Egypt. I don't know why they do it, because the things that I'm paying, which are same price like rest of the world, like Bangladesh, India, Thailand, Cambodia, it's not a big difference in the prices. It's the same standard. So you know, when rest of the world also pays the same money without scam, why Egypt have to do the scam with the same economical structure? So I don't understand that. But in 2016, the inflation in this country was crazy. The currency of Egypt got devalued so much, but still at least now the prices are stable. It's okay. Rest of the world also we pay the same. But anyways, this is about scam. You already know so many scam videos on Egypt, and it's true to certain level, I think so. And anyways, let's figure out how we are going to reach the temple today. So we are going to the Valley of Kings, the most famous place in Egypt, in Luxor. Let's start this video. This is my room, guys. Sorry for a little bit mess. It's quite comfortable, and I am paying like around $12 with breakfast included. So guys, let's go to another tomb. Today it's very hot, but suddenly when it's evening, it starts to get very cold. So this is like protected site. People are not allowed to live. There is a lot of police protection of very ancient tomb and mummies. There have been documented times when people have tried to steal these old ancient things, to steal the parts of mummies, to steal broken pieces from the tomb. So the site is very protected, and most of the tombs are not open to public. There are more than 800 of them, okay? And this is the Valley of Kings. Most are like preserved here, and you can see. Let's go maybe to that one and see which one that is. In the middle of Sahara Nubian desert. The deserted landscape, guys, how aesthetic it looks in the videos and photos. It's insane, crazy, but so cool. Let's go. And also most of the burial site was on the west bank, because according to ancient Egyptian culture or Nubian culture, the west bank described like the setting of the sun, and it's like death, the setting of life also. So guys, we have reached to the second one. The name is Memta, something like this. I have to Google which king or queen it is. So there were so many kings, of course, and this is also like a tomb. And I think apni lag gayi hai अच्छे से. We have been scammed by the officer. I asked him, can I see the mummy? He said yes, but it's like a tomb only, not mummy. So we have to reach to Tutankhamun to find out. So this is one we have seen, and you know, they have built it so under the desert mountain, like a cave. We have came like all the way from up. Imagine how thousands of years they built it inside here.
inside the desert and stop the sands getting fallen on it. And I think most of them were hidden inside the mountain, because these are like the burial site. Then they dig it and found out. Some scientists say even there are more that have not been founded yet. Imagine. And these are the things that you can only see in Egypt, guys. This history is just in Egypt. So it's like, they buried it inside the sand. And it's so deep, I cannot tell you. Right now, according to current geography, the land is up there. These have been buried very deep. Insane. So pretty. Can we see something? No. Oh, guys, there is nothing inside. It's like empty. And there is the statue. So guys, how do you know if anything is there or not, or they just make the boxes because they don't let people see the real thing? But okay, whatever is the depiction, most depiction is of Nubian people for sure. Black tribe, the body structure, the nose, the lips, the facelift, everything is of Nilotic tribes. So guys, tomb of Tutankhamun, and let's go.
Wir gehen jetzt, ich habe die Experte gucken. Das können das behalten. Warum?
He put 3 times. Let's go, guys. We have to go inside because, of course, the burial happened inside the ground. Tomb is inside. Let's go. Guys, I cannot tell you that we can. Now, if it's a real body or not, I don't know. But I have not panned the camera towards the body right now. It's that side. Okay, the guy did not scam me. Thanks to him. And this is like a tomb. You see, this is where he was found, most probably. And when he was digged down here, like when he was found here, there were 5,000 of his possessions, like the art, crafts, handmade things, ancient Egyptian artifacts that was found with his body near this place. Can you just even imagine that? It's insane. This, and when this was revealed, they said they changed the human history because his body was found completely intact. Nothing was, destroyed, which gave scientists more good opportunity to do the research because nothing was broken or destroyed. It was completely intact. Wow, guys, this history is insane. And see, his tomb was found also with ancient Egyptian paintings. You see all these paintings, but they are literally black people. You see, they are not white or brown. So his tomb also had the paintings. This is Nubian artwork, Nubian style African art. So look at this. Wow. Why, before anyone write the bullshit, the guy is totally black. So anybody can write anything. Well, let me show you the mummy. So, wow, guys, this is crazy. Wow. I think it's worth it. At least if you can see the mummy, it's surely worth it. And I don't know why that guy, he just came around for what bullshit reason. He was a tour guide maybe. So see, this is the mummy of Tutankhamun. वाओ, देखिए भाई, ये सांप की है, स्नेक्स सो अलग अलग तरीके के इंसान, फैंटेसी वर्ल्ड, असली में जो चीज़ें यहाँ पे होती थी सब चीज़ों की भाई पेंटिंग है। एंड मैं खुद पेंटर हूँ तो मुझे तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब अट्रैक्ट कर रहा है। कितना सही है भाई, दीवारों की दीवारों में पेंटिंग बना रखी हैं। गजब यार, एक नंबर। पुराने ज़माने के लोग यार हमसे ज़्यादा एडवांस होते थे फॉर श्योर, मतलब इसमें कोई डाउट ही नहीं है। ये लास्ट तो मैं भाई थर्ड, हमने अपनी टिकट पूरी यूटिलाइज कर ली है। अरे इससे ज़्यादा नीचे नहीं जा सकते हैं क्या? वो बंद है भाई। अरे कुछ नहीं है यहाँ पे, ये बंद है, इससे नीचे नहीं जा सकते। तो ये देखिए भाई, ये एरिया यहाँ पे बरियल है रामसेस 9th का। तो रामसेस नंबर 9th यहाँ पे दफनाया हुआ है उनको। तो दैट्स इट। ये यार इजिप्शियन बंदे हैं तो बढ़िया, इससे नीचे नहीं जा सकते, कुछ नहीं है। बट एटलीस्ट तुतुनखामुन का देख लिया यार। इससे अच्छा तो सिर्फ तुतुनखामुन की टिकट ले लो यार, सिर्फ उसको देख के चले जाओ वापस। जो 3 टॉम्ब हमने देखे वो कुछ नहीं है, बंद पड़े हैं, उसमें ना बॉडी दिख रही है ना कुछ, पूरा मतलब पत्थर से बंद है, वो तो स्टोन से। भाई डू दिस, if you are watching my video, just buy a ticket only for Tutankhamun. See him, it's enough, because the other ones are just stones. So I think it's better. मैं भी यार किसी की वीडियो देख के आती जिसमें इन्फॉर्मेशन थी तो अपने $15 बच जाते, but it's fine. I'm going to Luxor temple or just temples around Abu Simbel, because every temple is like $12 to $15, and how many temples can you see? That's why India is somehow the best, because we don't charge for temples at least. Here in Sri Lanka, in Egypt, you pay like $20 just to see 2 rooms in the temple, which is insane. So guys, I'm back in the souk. We saw the tomb already in the Valley of the Kings, and in this shop I have got some fridge magnets here. Hello.
Hello,
How are you?
I am fine.
What's your name?
My name is Mahmoud Abu Hamdi Abu Amir.
Okay guys, this is shop number 1.
Yes.
If you come here, he will give you good price. So I got these magnets, and let me show you the shop. They have all the handcrafts made of stone and everything, but be careful of the scam. This guy was so nice. I took some fridge magnet, just $1 for one. So I took 4 of them, and now let's go, let's head back. It's so hot. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Syed. Hello Syed.
How are you?
I'm good.
Welcome to Egypt.
Thank you.
Yeah, obviously.
Already.
Yeah, Tutankhamun Nefertiti.
Thank
Good
you.
price, not too much money.
Next time. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, you too.
Wow.
He said the fair price is €10. I told him cancel it. Don't waste my time with nonsense. He said if you don't like, cancel it. I told him you can cancel it because you are the one who is begging extra money. Booking your taxi is like so stupid. Jesus. Most horrible part of the day. Guys, I finally booked the taxi on InDrive. In Egypt, you have to use Uber, InDrive, so many apps, and then in 30 minutes, someone will accept it if he's kind enough. And I told him, don't to cross to this side because you have to pay £25 at that gate, which I know I don't want to pay because I will already tip him 30 or 40 pounds. I know otherwise he will just eat my head. So I have to pay him already extra. So I'm like, don't waste my £25. I'm being stingy. So I just walked 500 meters and I'm just taking the car from there now. Let's go. These are my Egyptian fridge magnet. Guys, traveling is so good. Thank you so much for supporting me. Whoa. Yeah, India. Oh, my car is there. Thank you. Hello. Ahmad? Okay. Come here. Okay. Let's go.
Let's go. Where you from?
Al Hind.
Arhan. Yeah.
Yeah.
Muslim?
Garima.
Eh?
Garima.
What Garima?
Garima.
I don't know this.
My name.
My name is
Garima.
Gerima. My name is Ahmed.
Ahmed, nice meeting you.
Nice to meet
Thank you.
No photo me.
No.
I don't
Okay.
lie.
Yeah. It's okay.
Yeah.
I photo road.
Yeah. You single?
No.
You married?
No.
What?
Your friend? Okay. Yeah, I come back. Hello. Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
but from a lot of time I didn't download anything. I will
Evening time and we are at Nile River in Luxor and we are going from West Bank to the East Bank in a boat. So let's go. With me, I'm not alone. I have one American friend, one Egyptian friend. Hello. Good. We are waiting for that boat. And then we'll have some food or dinner near the Nile River, which will remind me again of Sudan. With Miasa, we used to do the same in Khartoum. So cool. This is, guys, Nile River. Nile. In local language, they say Nile. Okay. Welcome. Hey. Let's go, guys. She's enjoying. So cool. So guys, we have reached toward the East Bank and we are seeing Luxor Temple from outside. So we are not buying the ticket. We cannot go inside right now, but it's so beautiful. They have put the lights. It looks good from outside. So this is the Luxor Temple, guys. Ancient temple in Egypt. Quite nice. I think it's enough to see from outside. It's not too much. So entry ticket for this one is like 500 or 600 Egyptian pound, which is like 11 or 12 dollars just to see this. It's insane. It's too much. Wow. Let us walk that side. Yeah. So wow, guys. So this is the temple in the desert. I mean, it's amazing. Like, the architecture is so cool. Ancient Egyptian architecture. I was thinking maybe I won't be able to see the temple, but we saw somehow, so it's okay. So guys, we came out for dinner in Luxor and I'm not alone today. I have Egyptian and American friends. So let me introduce you. So hello.
You're welcome in Luxor.
Thank you. So are you from Luxor?
You're welcome to Luxor.
Okay, thank you. Hello.
I'm of course from Luxor.
Nice. And we're eating Egyptian food right now. Hello.
You will see.
I'm from Hawaii.
Hey, nice. Guys, so let's have dinner.
What about you? Where are you from?
Al-Hind.
Arabic.
Yeah. Nice, guys. So, Tamarin?
Exactly.
Tamarin?
Yeah, you are not an Indian if you don't.
Tamar Al-Hind. That's the name?
No, this is not
Arabic
Tamar
name?
Hind. Elephant poop. اسمه أحمد.
Arabic name?
It's exactly Tamar Hindi.
Tamar Hindi, which means Indian tamarind. Wow. And in India we call it Imli. So, Tamar Al-Hind.
Which one?
They said you guys are such gentlemen.
Yeah, you guys are the best Egyptians I met until now. I swear.
Oh, thank you.
I swear to God.
Boss, she's playing music so loud. Crazy. How much is the... You think the carpet here are original or no?
Which one?
The
In this
Egyptian
street?
carpet.
In this street, nothing is real. I'm joking. What?
Say again.
In
But-
this, in this street, I think nothing is original. Everything is not handmade. Nothing is handmade.
Guys, I asked him if carpet is good here or not. He's saying nothing in this street is
For example,
good enough.
This is from China,
Yeah.
made in China.
Egyptian carpet.
In Egypt here, we don't make we don't make anything. No مؤاخذة.
So guys, we are buying the keychain in the market in Luxor. This is a souvenir souk area, traditional market here, and on the keychain they will write our name. So,